time comes, don't postpone it. When others down and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let.
All right, where are we going today, Nutty?
We're going to the market.
Where are we at?
We are on Cat Island.
Uh-huh.
We're at Rowley's Resort, which we have read is very cruiser friendly. However, unfortunately, everything's closed because of COVID-19. So,
all right.
The gentlemen here were friendly. When we came up, we didn't even ask. They came over to us and asked to take our garbage and wouldn't take a tip.
All right. Safety check complete. Bike helmets, gloves, knee pads, sandals, flip-flops, bike lock, backpack, soda pop, Red Bull.
Backpack, as Charlie would say.
I've got my new phone that'll hold our navigation capability on it. All we got to do is turn on the master power switch. We'll start off in the first gear. We got 3 different speeds on this bad boy. All right, you got to pull start this Briggs and Stratton or what? All right, we're still just pedaling away. All right, how you doing? This Mount Alvernia, Cuomo Hill, and that is the Hermitage way up there, and it's saying private property of Roman Catholic Archbishop of Nassau, Bahamas. It says private property, and then it says the owner's not responsible. So yeah, you can go in there. I got it, highest elevation, but look at that entryway, huh? That's pretty cool. Here's an example of Bahamian generational land. On the far right, you'll see Great-Grandpa's house. On the far left, you see Grandpa's house. And in the pink, you'll see my house. We'll show you more examples of that here in the Bahamas. Now, coming up here on the left, you see another example. Boom, right there on the left is Grandpa's house. Behind all those trees right there, the current house. Once again, generational land handed down for the last several hundred years, generation after generation. You see it all over the Bahamas. Howdy. You finally made it, Nutty. There it is, New Bite Food Market.
Yay!
Yeah. The coolest thing is, it is open during the coronavirus outbreak.
Okay.
No more liquor store, social distancing. We need 6 feet apart. We're married, that shouldn't be a problem. All right, we are done provisioning at the New Bite Food Market. Nutty's got her backpack full of dry goods. I got the cold pack items in our cold pack backpack.
Carry the heavy stuff. I don't get it.
What is this?
I'm just kidding. Yeah, you know what? Keep your 6 feet distance, all right?
Distancing.
Yeah.
Oh, I got my gloves on. I use
All right,
these gloves
I gotta crank up this Harley.
because they help prevent my hands from going numb.
78%. Oh yeah. All right, home stretch. There's the graveyard without very many graves in it. I think our tortilla chips are now crumbed.
Without the Mary Jane. Whoa!
Who's Mary Jane?
She was late. Rocky Rolly here.
Yeah, it's gonna be a nice ride over to the boat too, so. Hey everybody, I'm Tay-Dog. Welcome again to another Maintenance Minute here on Off the Hook Sailing. Today we're changing out our pre-filters on our water maker, okay? This is a 20 micron, a 5 micron. We have some food grade lubricant, and we have our wrench. All right, let's get at it. So first thing we need to do is shut off the water. Of course, you got to make sure the water maker itself is off. We're going to shut off the water intake to it. With the seacock closed, now's a great time to clean out your raw water strainer. One thing I did forget to mention earlier is I also like a small bucket that will fit down in here, and I will put that underneath here to catch trap a lot of the water, just to make it cleanup a little easier. get rid of all of this water as well. We'll be able to reprime it here in a little bit. All right, now technique, put a little food grade lubricant around your seals just to keep them from leaking. A lot of people will take the whole O-ring off and just smother it. All right, 5 micron. 5 micron. It has a little nipple down on the bottom that it's going to rest on and keep it centered. All right, simply reattach. We're going to turn this guy on. We're going to check for some water leaks. Make sure that we don't have any more bubbles in it. And that is how you change your pre-filters, your 20 and your 5 micron for the Spectra Newport 400. Nutty and I found this creek, or it's a, I don't know what you call it.
It's in the mangroves. It's creeks, like a creek that runs through the mangroves, like a river.
And the water is so crystal clear, and it just zigzags around forever. And it was just an unintentional find. It's kind of amazing beauty. And we're looking at the little ledges going, oh look, there's fishies, big fishies. Looking at some of the ledges, and they're like, yeah, those are lobster hideouts, but I think it's, I don't know if we're supposed to be able to take them in here or what. But this is one cool Clearwater Creek. Almost looks like a man-made lazy river you'd find at a resort. Very cool though. All right, like I said, I gotta act busy around here, otherwise Nutty starts questioning my loyalty. There she is, doing the laundry. Had to put a new battery in. So while she's working her tail off, I have to always look like a good deckhand. Always has to stay busy, trying to convince the boss that he's a good hire. Anyway, so we're charging up drones, updating softwares while we have a weak Wi-Fi signal here at Cat Island. Let's see, what else do we need to do? Oh, I need to get a new flag up there. That thing's destroyed. all kinds of fun stuff. The radar reflector that's way down here needs to go way up there. Lots of little nitnoid stuff. The refrigerator's making too much noise over here. Cockpit ice maker's making too much noise. The refrigerator's making too much noise. We gotta look into cleaning fans, maybe lubing something, who knows, making sure it's all set up right. It never stops. All right, what are we doing, Nutty?
Shots. Shots, shots, shots,
All right.
shots, shots, shots.
Why are we doing shots?
Because we're doing taxes.
Taxes bite, yes. And you said this is going to kill the coronavirus.
Oh, yeah. Alcohol.
Yeah,
Drink
alcohol
lots of
kills.
alcohol.
Okay.
It says it right on the CDC website, you know. Alcohol kills the virus, right. So.
And if we ever do have any viewers on YouTube, this was not me that hit you in the jaw, right?
No, that was
No means no?
Yeah, that was, yeah.
That was the winch handle that somehow got you.
I was going around with the winch handle and it slipped out of my hand because I wasn't wearing gloves.
Uh-huh.
And when it slipped, it has a little bit of a, like, you pull it and then
Recoil?
Recoil, thank you.
Yeah.
Bam! What do you want?
I don't know. What else am I doing?
Okay.
Hold that. Okay.
Yep. Shot.
Shot. And this is a shot glass. It says Nutty's 50th birthday, September 17th, 49. Nope, 19. 2019.
He doesn't even know
Can't
what
read
year
them
that
very
was.
well.
That was last year.
50 and fabulous.
That was from
You were established in
our
1969.
good friends, Chris and Vicky Hesslin, and
Yay.
our birthday party. And this is what we're drinking.
All right.
We brought this all the way from Mexico.
Mexico it is.
Last time we were there, a couple years ago.
All right.
Anyway, all right.
That's a lot of
Kill the
shot,
virus.
man.
It is a big shot. This might be 2 shots.
All right. Kill the virus.
Kill the virus. Oh. That lime was dead. Excuse me, I burped.
Yeah. Whew. All right. Am I any better looking?
There's more pulp than juice in there.
Yeah.
Couldn't possibly be any better looking than you already are.
Ah, that's great. You don't even know my name.
Sweetheart.
All right. What are you complaining about right now?
I'm not
What's wrong with our ice maker?
Oh, the arm won't stay up.
All right, and what did I tell you? You married a what?
Pilot.
You married a pilot, an aviator. You should have married a what? A Raritan ice maker specialist.
Rather than somebody that knows about drugs and prostitution.
Exactly. This is not my fault, right? This is
Clearly.
poor judgment on your part.
Clearly.
What are you gonna do? Who are you gonna marry next?
Somebody
A
that knows something
Raritan
about
ice
something
maker
besides drugs and
specialist.
prostitution.
Right. Any questions? Any questions about that? Fine. So why doesn't the arm stay up so that it stops making ice?
We don't know.
We'll never know. Do you have any questions about drugs or prostitution?
Nope.
Okay. All right. Lesson. I made my point.
Point made.
Point made.
Let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubt is all the night, and not to them you